Electrohydrodynamic jet printing is a non-contacting, direct patterning method that can be used in various fields, such as printed electronics, advanced materials, biotechnology, and so on.
The electrohydrodynamic jet printing method uses a high electric field to pull down charged ink to the substrate. For this purpose, a fluidic system is used to push ink to the nozzle, and a high-voltage power supply is used to produce the electrical field.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be used to print very small dots or patterns compared to conventional inkjet printing method.
Based on the electrical and fluidic configurations, 3 different modes of drop-on-demand printing, electrospinning, and electrospray, can be implemented. For fine patterning, we will focus on DoD and near-field electrospinning. DoD uses both DC voltage and pulse voltage for jetting, whereas near-field electrospinning uses only DC voltage for jetting.
Individuals new to this method will have a hard time obtaining proper jetting because each mode requires specific inks and different printing pen methods, such as voltage, the nozzle, printing speed, and stand-up distance.
Graduate student Mr. Wu will demonstrate both drop-on-demand and near-field electrospinning using silver nanoparticle ink in order to help individuals to understand the printing procedures.
For drop-on-demand printing, first fill the ink reservoir of the electrohydrodynamic jet printer with filtered silver nanoparticle ink. Then, prepare the nozzle from a glass pipette as described in the accompanying text protocol. Assemble the nozzle holder by connecting the nozzle to the ink reservoir via Teflon tube.